What's up, you all people? I'm back with another awesome Mafia City video, and in this video we are going to talk about the best roster for shooter player, guys. And guys, in this video we are only going to talk about the roster that are going to give you either shooter damage or shooter attack. So there will be quite a few roster, guys, that you can take a look and you can increase your shooter attack or shooter damage, guys, according to what you want. Because guys, in the end there is no one perfect roster for all of you, but there is a roster for every one of you according to your stats, guys, what you want to focus on. This list is going to be, guys, quite interesting. But guys, before we move any further in this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on bell icon notification, so guys, in future if I upload a video, then you are going to get a notification for this, guys, and you're not going to miss them. We will start with, guys, advanced roster, guys, because before advanced roster I don't think there is a lot of things you can do for your shooter attack. So we are only going to start with advanced roster. And guys, advanced roster is a good class for beginner that you just start to increase your shooter attack, or you're new in this game, guys, then advanced roster class will be good to go. And in this, guys, there is only one roster that I can suggest you to increase your shooter stats, and that will be Black Sally, guys. Black Sally is going to give you crew attack by 8%, crew defense by 8%, turn wounded into losses, solo turf attack by 2%, and then, guys, here it comes, biker charge damage by 5%, shooter damage by 5%, and in the end vehicle attack attacking turf by 5%. So in this, guys, you're going to get two good things from this roster: 5% shooter damage and 5% charge damage, guys. And this is very good that are going to focus on both biker attack and shooter attack. Guys, like me, I like to focus on both my biker and shooter attack, so this roster will be, guys, good to go in beginning when you're just starting playing this game, and you can increase both of your stats. So guys, that way you don't need to make a roster for your biker attack another one and for your shooter attack another one. So this one will be one good roster to go for all of you beginners. Now let's move on to, guys, classy roster. First we are going to start with Blue Star. Blue Star is a very good roster, guys, for your shooter attack and biker charge damage. It's going to give you both of them, plus it's also going to give you crew attack by 14% and crew defense by 14%. So this is a very good roster for all of you biker and shooter player, guys, and you just need to make one roster and that will be good to go. And 10% shooter damage is, guys, a lot. This will be very good to go for both biker and shooters player. Now if you will go a little bit, guys, there is Whirlwind, which is also going to give you shooter damage and crew attack attacking turf, guys. So I think that the Blue Star is a lot better than, but if you are into like real city attack, then you can choose this. But either way, I think still that Blue Star is a lot better than Whirlwind. Now let's move on below, guys, and then there is Night Tripper, which is going to give you 8% shooter damage. So this is a very good roster, guys. If you have a very low defense, this is going to give you very good defense, plus it's going to give you 8% shooter damage. But either way, guys, in this list I still think that the Blue Star is the best roster for shooter attack in this list, guys, because it's not only going to give you shooter damage, but it's also going to give you biker charge damage, which is very important. Now let's move on to the unique roadster class, guys. And from here, first I'm going to talk about the roster what I am using. The roster what I'm using is Harley Quinn, and as you can see on your screen, guys, it's going to give you shooter attack by 15%. I put a lot of armament in this, all are orange quality. One is left, guys, and this is a very good roster if you want to increase your shooter attack, guys. I think 10% shooter damage is a lot better than 15% shooter attack, but still in the end, guys, I decided to stick with Harley Quinn, guys, because of its polka defense. I still need to work on my defense, so that's the only thing I am with Harley Quinn, or I will go with Blue Star, guys. So this is a very good roster for all of you who want to increase their shooter attack and their defense is low. Harley Quinn will be good to go. As you can see me, I am also using that. There is also another roster, guys, which is Van Helsing, and guys, this roster is going to give you 16% crew attack, 13% crew defense, and 15% shooter attack. So guys, it's a very good roster, but Harley Quinn is just an upgraded version of this. As you can see, it's also going to give you 25% bulker defense and 15% shooter attack. So Harley Quinn is a lot better than Van Helsing. There's not a lot of roster point difference between both of them, so I still think that you should choose Harley Quinn over Van Helsing. So that's the roster what I am currently using, guys. And now let's talk about the roadster after this, guys. And after this, guys, there is the Deathracks Roadster, which is going to give you 16% crew attack, 13% crew defense, crew attack attacking turf by 12%, biker attack by 10%, shooter attack by 12%, and vehicle attack by 10%, guys. So this is a very good roster, guys. Overall, it's even better than mine because it's also going to give you 10% biker attack. It will be a good roster, guys, for all of you who want to just use one roster for both shooter and biker. And very good roster for city attack too, because it's also going to give you crew attacking turfs by 12%, so that's also a bonus. So this is a very good roster to go, guys. After this, guys, there is not a lot of roster that are going to give you shooter stats. And now let's move on our last category, that is, guys, rare roadster category. And in this, guys, only two good roster. First one is, guys, slingshot, and from there, guys, you can get random tribute of shooter attack from 2% to 23%, guys, depending upon what you want, guys. This is a very good roster to increase your stats, guys, and from random attribute you can choose shooter attack, guys. And at this class, I don't think that you are going to use the roadster for shooter attack or shooter damage, guys. There is a lot of other thing you can do to increase your shooter attack and damage rather than choosing roadster. And Hellfire is, guys, overall the best roadster in this game right now, because, guys, it's going to give you 23% crew attack, 50% crew defense, bulker attack by 13%, cram of capacity by 17,000, enemy biker attack minus by 30%, bulker health, and again, guys, random attribute from where you can use shooter attack from 2 to 25%. So overall, Hellfire is the best roster for all of you shooter player, biker player, vehicle player, bulker player, whatever player you are. Hellfire, in the end, if you have a lot of roster point, guys, then Hellfire will be the good to go. So that was the list. If you enjoyed this, then make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, guys, turn on bell icon notification, and share this video with all of your friends. And I'll be back with another awesome Mafia City video. Until then, take care, stay safe, and peace.